Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Yanni Does It, and I'm Yanni, and I'm here to share my weight loss journey with you, my experience with VSG, vertical sleeve gastrectomy, and I'm just newly starting the keto diet, and I'm loving it. So I'm here to share those experiences with you and recipes and much more to come. So let's just get into it. Good morning. It is like so sunny out here, but I have to do this because I did this before and lost my footage. I'm so upset about that, but I'm just trying to keep pushing and keep moving because you can't do great things without some type of opposition. You just can't. So, at any rate, I wanted to talk to you today about my weight loss journey, how it all started. I've always been overweight for the most part. Started to gain weight around 10 years old. And my weight didn't really start bothering me until I got to high school, like my junior year of high school. You know, I didn't make the dance team because I was too big. I was told, well, a friend told me that that's what a coach said really hurt my feelings. And I didn't really do anything about my weight as far as aggressively and actively do things about my weight until I turned about 21. It was my sophomore year of college, and I came home, and my mom's like, your stomach got big. And I just got some workout videos, and I did that Monday through Friday, non-stop. I watched my portion sizes, and I was able to slim down 36 pounds over that summer. And then I went back to school, started eating at Blanton Hall, Freeman Hall, for all my Montclair State people, and I gained the weight back. And since then, I'm 33 now. Since then, it's just been back and forth. You know, yo-yo dieting, 3 months on, 3 months off. Just a lack of consistency. And at 32, someone suggested that I get the surgery, and weight loss surgery. And at first, I wasn't sure, because I always felt like weight loss surgery was cheating. I was always one of those people who thought that, you have to change your mindset. It doesn't matter if you get the surgery. And that's very true. It's very true. But then what scared me was I got a diagnosis of high blood pressure, which runs in my family, and pre-diabetes, and diabetes runs in my family. And it scared me, and I just said, okay, I've been doing the same thing for 9 years and getting the same result, which is no result. And I decided to get the surgery. I decided that, I saw that people were successful with it. I saw some loved ones that got it, and they were successful with it, and their mindset had changed. And I decided to get the surgery. And with weight loss surgery, I lost about 80 pounds. In about 11 months, I lost about 80 pounds. And that's great. I'm so happy. But I knew that I could do better. I was still eating what I wanted to eat and doing what I wanted to do. And I just wasn't disciplined enough, and I didn't have the mindset that I needed to really, really, really lose the weight and keep it off, I was just, my habits weren't conducive to the life I wanted to live, which is a healthy lifestyle. I want to be fit. I want to be active. I want to be slim. And so, not only with weight loss, with other things as well, my energy was just all over the place. And something happened to kind of wake me up. Like, how the universe just kind of says, okay, enough is enough. And I just knew from then on, with the incident that happened, that I needed to start living in my purpose, because I wasn't doing that before. I wasn't living in my purpose. And now I can finally say that I am living in my purpose. I'm on the right track. I'm doing the things I want to do in my life, and my habits are in line with what I want to do. And I'm so happy. And so that was part 1. Part 2 and part 3 will be coming shortly. and that'll be all about my experience with vertical sleeve gastrectomy and the beginning of my keto journey. So I hope to see you soon, and love you.